Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. We've seen that anticipated C wave to the downside here today. I explained to you that I don't trust the bullish breakout count. I don't trust the yellow count that we had on the chart. So the white one was still preferred. And you can see how helpful the Fibonacci levels are that I give you. Why? Because yes, we also had a bullish reasonable alternative on the chart. But first of all, I emphasized it's the less probable pathway, and it is the pathway that would likely be invalidated below 2,345. So anybody who played it and actually entered in my yellow box, which was for that yellow count, and then stopped out below 2,345, congratulations. At least that, those levels tell you when likely something different is playing out. Well, that it would happen so quickly, well, again, that's just something that the market decides. Obviously, a lot of leverage was in the market, and we had some news rumors again triggering a lot of emotions around the ETF. But that's crypto Twitter. Yeah, that's crypto Twitter. So again, the primary scenario works out, even though it's still a mess, but that move today clears a lot of it up. Let's talk about the structure. I'll keep it short because I've got a lot to do. I'm jumping on some calls today. I've got stocks to update. I've got crypto updates to give, even though, to be honest, many charts didn't even change with that move to the downside. In fact, many of the setups that are also communicated in our gold membership, they are only now just getting active, which is great. So also here, I gave you a possible target for wave C. The market dipped into this range and already reacted to it, even though I don't think that this C wave to the downside is necessarily complete. What's the proposed structure at the moment? Well, it's wave 1, obviously top tier, nothing changed. Wave W, wave X, and we could now be in this Y wave. Key target range, initial target range for the Y wave is between 1994 and 2156. That's been our key target range there. And in the Y wave, we have this A, B, C structure. And my take is that we get one more low here, or maybe two. Let me explain. I've got two wave counts here. I'm only showing one, by the way, but let's talk about this first. The idea is that of this X wave high that formed on the 28th, we had an A wave down, a B wave, and this is a C wave down, which should get a 1, a 2, 3 could be done. Maybe we're now in 4 with one more low to come to complete wave C of Y of 2. And then we could go. This would be what I shouldn't say primarily follow. This is one of the likely scenarios. So at the moment, I would still look for one more low, as long as, let's just check that. As long as, and that's micro resistance I'm going to put onto the chart, as long as the 2,254 level isn't broken to the upside. That's when things start to turn to the upside again, probably. Okay, and you could say the alternative is that this is not a WXY, but instead an ABC, to be honest, which is similarly likely. And this would be an A wave, a B wave, and we come down in the C wave. Now, then the subdivisions would be slightly different. This would not be an A wave, this would not be a B wave, but a 1, 2. So we have a wave 1. I'm going to change the color in a minute. It would literally be like that. So what that means is it's basically not really any change. We also have here down, up, down. And we could also get one more low here. But then afterwards, we get another lower high and another lower low. So either one more low or two more lows. And we are far away from key bullish support at around about 1670, 1680. So we are far away from bullish support, which is great, because it means we have plenty of space. We're not at risk of invalidation of our overall bullish scenario. And so far, the market is respecting the parameters that have been outlined, and it seems to be going with the probable pathway, okay, which was another C wave to the downside. What I don't know, because Elliott Wave is no crystal ball, if we get one more low or two more lows, but I would certainly expect one more low, especially as long as the price stays below 2,254. That's my update about ETH. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.